So we have here to the online activity. This would be a whiteboard, smartboard activity. So this would be placed in front of the class. There would be two groups. So the class would be split in half, one group versus the next. Pretty much each student will have the opportunity to come here and match the states, the map of each state that's down here. This should be 50 states to this the United States. This map right here. What I did in this activity was I stationed this map, so I'm not able to move this map, but the students would be able to move the state map. So this is the general idea of this, is to get a picture of where each state is. As you can see, it may seem very easy, but it can be challenging trying to find a state. And another challenge is, which is also a fun thing, the students have the opportunity to maximize the state and minimize it. As you can see, they are scattered all around. So they have to look for the map and be able to identify it on here. So that will increase their interaction among the students. I put the direction right here on what to do, so the teacher would be able to assist the students as needed. Another fun thing about this is the students have the opportunity to access this on the computer as well. So this doesn't necessarily have to be done on a smart board in front of the class. This can be done on an iPad or on a computer. So I'm going to do a few of them so we have a general idea of what it would look like. As you can see, it's a little challenging for me too, so it's not as easy as it seemed. Trying to find these maps and matching it. So that's about it for this activity.